Hello children, this video is related for the chapter The Earth Our Home. Our Earth is the only planet that has life in different forms, plants and animals. The Earth has many natural features called the landforms. Sun is a huge or the biggest star. It has its own light. Moon, it is a satellite, natural satellite. It has no light of its own. Earth is a planet. It does not have its own light. Our Earth is like a round ball slightly pressed like an orange. It is made up of land and water and is surrounded by air. The air surrounding the Earth is called atmosphere. Without air, life would not be possible on Earth. The air is made up of oxygen, hydrogen, and the largest amount of the gas is nitrogen. We do not see or smell air. We can feel air blowing around us. Water, more than 3/4 of the surface of the Earth is covered by water. Rivers, lakes, ponds, oceans and seas are the water bodies on the earth. Rainwater collects in the water bodies like the rivers, ponds, oceans, seas and lakes. We use water of the rivers and the lakes. From space the earth appears blue, so it is called the blue planet. Land. Land is the most important part of the earth. We live on land. Our houses are built on the land. There are different levels of the land. Land is categorized as raised land and flat land. Raised land like the hills, mountains, plateaus, and flat lands like the plains, valleys and islands. Hills are raised lands. The weather in the hills is cold. Roads on the hills are narrow and winding. It is difficult to grow crops here. Mountains, very big hills are called mountains. They are often covered with the snow. The weather is very cold here. When the snow melts, the water runs down to form rivers. Plateaus, these are the raised lands with a flat top. Sometimes a plateau looks like a table, so it is also called the tableland. Earth has air, water and land. Plains are the flat land. Most of the people live on the plains. Cities and towns are usually built on the plains. Crops grow well in the plains. Valleys lie between two hills or the mountains. More than 3/4 of the surface of the earth is covered by water only. Raised landforms are hills, mountains and plateaus. Flatlands are plains and valleys. Valleys lie between two hills or the mountains. An island is a big piece of land surrounded by water on all the sides. Most people live on the plains, but we can use only the fresh and clean water. Most of the water which is present in the earth, that is salty, and we can't use it. The air surrounding the earth is called atmosphere. More than 3/4 of the earth is covered by water. Most of the people live on the plains. The earth has many natural features called landforms. The types of land, there are two types of lands, raised land and flat land. Hills, mountains, plateaus, they are the raised land. Hills are raised lands. The weather in the hills is cold. Roads on the hills are narrow and winding. It is difficult to grow crops here. Mountains are very big hills and are called mountains or the snow mountains. They are often covered with the snow. The weather is very cold here. When the snow melts, the water runs down to form rivers. Now the plateaus. Plateaus are also called the tableland. These are raised land with a flat top. Sometimes a plateau looks like a table. And this is the reason it is also called tableland. An island is a big piece of land surrounded by water on all sides.